विसावप्र न्यूकार शेनवारा कळंगूट पंचायतीन ऑनलायन पेमेंट गेटवे नावान वेबसायटीचे लोकार्पण केले। हे लोकार्पण उपसभापती मायकल लोबोच्या हस्तुकी जाले। हातूंत घराची पटी कोयराच्या गाडयेचे GPS ट्रॅकिंग सर्व्हिस आता ऑनलायन उपलब्ध जाल्यात। RDX गोवा खातीर कळंगूटच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
We have the front page of our website here, and if you come down, we have one more 3 columns here. One is to pay the house tax, which we have partnered with HDFC Bank. From now on, you will be able to pay your house tax.
You sit down there.
You will be able to pay your house tax online. The second column here is the truck location. We have this GPS service where people can see where the garbage truck has reached.
Launch of official website of Village Panchayat of Kalangut is another head, feather in the head for Kalangut constituency, and people friendly जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा तेन्ना ऑनलायन पेमेंट आसत जाल्यार ट्रान्सपरन्सी आहा। People can sit in their house and do the payments online, whether it is house tax or any other tax. Garbage efficiently pick up जावची म्हणून पंचायत is working. कलंगूट म्हणटकूच every second day नाव येता 1 किलो चरस धरलो आनी कितें prostitution सापडले आनी कितें जालें आनी कितें where 1 lakh tourists are coming on daily basis. असल्यो गजाली आसतल्यो, but we need to control. We need to keep our eyes open, and for that villagers have to come forward. आदी इतल्यो केसी डिटेक्टूच जायनासल्यो, अशें न्हू की जायनासलें, जातालें, and everybody was saying that हे जाता आनी कित्याक अरेस्ट जायना, हिंगासर ड्रग्स होपता आनी कित्याक कोण तेंकां धरिना। आयज तुमी पळयलां आसतलें की कितले नंबर ऑफ केसीस आर बुक्ड इन कलंगूट पुलीस स्टेशन, एंटी नार्कोटिक सेल, and on all these fronts, and I'm happy for that.
Proud.
We inaugurate the official site of our village panchayat of Kalangut. This was my dream, to have a panchayat digitalized and hassle-free. As we promise you all, this panchayat is going to be hassle-free. Hassle-free in a sense, now we have launched a website and you can make payment sitting at home.